Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Review with Samesh and welcome to this OriginSuite review. OriginSuite is a world's first AI-powered marketing suite that replaced your earning $1,200 month software stack with a click unlock and all in one dashboard, all interested, all drag and drop, built by marketers, fluent by AI, designed to replace $1,200 month in tools. Earn up to $577 parcel with $3,000 in JB price. The problems with so-called all-in-one platform and why your customers are still stuck. Let's be honest, your customers did not start their business to become a test wizard. They just want to sell, scale and success. And what is this feature? This feature it is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that gives you everything you need to learn sales and dominate online without needing 10 plus different tools or spending thousands each year. Website and funnel builder, AI funnel flow automations, email, SMS, WhatsApp marketing, CRM and drag and drop pipeline, course and membership site builder, live and evergreen webinar hostings, appointment schedules and survey, e-cam stores, payment integrations and more. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description